Welcome to speedearning.com. We are discussing about daily crude behavior in commodities today. So, crude is a very good commodity. So many traders are ready to trade in crude only. And why is it so? Because base metal might be moving 8 to 10 to 12 days out of 22 days clearly. Means there is 10 to 12 days clear movement is there, and remaining day it is range bound. Means I am talking about base metals. In case of bullions, it may show you big clear movements for 7 to 8 days only, if there is not any positive or negative breakout. In case of crude, it is showing 15 to 16 days clear big movements which are enough to take your daily profit margin from there out of 22 days. So crude is a very good commodity. Earlier there was big lots only, so it was risky because stop loss were higher. But when crude mini introduced, so it became very easy to practice this commodity in daily trading, intraday trading, and you just prepare a system which can be scaled up later. So you can practice with one mini lot, and we are giving you the minimum stop loss. Our stop loss is hardly 5 to 8 points. So in crude mini it is 50 to 80 rupees only. So you can go with that. So generally crude is moving plus 1.5% to minus 1.5% in daily range regularly. So regular movement for 14 to 15 days is plus 1.5 to minus 1.5%. In extreme days, for 3 to 4 days, it will show you 3 to 5% movement. 3 to 5% movement means, suppose crude is running 3000 or 3200, 3% means 90 to 100 points. 5% means 150 to 160 points. So that movement is also possible in a single day, and you are getting minimum 2 to 3 days in a month which can give you such a big profit. So what should be our daily strategy? Daily strategy is to keep hedging twice or thrice a day. So why do we suggest hedging? Because we want to exploit the opportunity from both sides. Both side means even if it is going upside or downside, we should get the profit regularly, and we don't want to miss any opportunity. That's why we are suggesting you to open your position at 154 in the morning, means in afternoon, 154 to 2:30. That is the timing of data, and there may be some movement regularly. So you are buying this month, means buy crude November, sell crude December, crude mini December, and stop loss is 6 point. So even if there is a movement of 14-15 point, you are saving 8 to 9 points there, it's okay, but you got something there. Now in evening we suggest you to open hedging from 6:29 and at 6:54. 6:29 is one timing where you are remaining for 5 to 10 minutes. At 6:54 you are opening again the hedging position, and you are remaining there for 10 to 15 minutes only. So there is the possibility of 20 to 30 points regular movement, and you are getting 15-16 points daily from there. So when you are going for hedging, sometimes it is possible for the beginners that they are watching the screen, and crude may hit the stop loss both sides. So that's why we are telling you one more thing. While you are opening the hedging position, at the same time we suggest you to keep the stop loss buying and selling above the high and below the low. Means from 11:30 to 2:30 you are keeping the stop loss buying at day's high till then. So today's high till then and today's low till then, you are putting stop loss buying and stop loss selling there. So suppose it is hitting stop loss both side, and took your 12 13 point stop loss, and when it is breaking the high or low, it will give back your losses. Means you may earn 15 to 20 point minimum after breaking the high or low, so you can recover your losses there. The same thing is in evening. In when you are opening your hedging position at 629 and 654, so from 550 to 8, we suggest you to keep stop loss buying above today's high till then and today's low till then. So if the call get activated, you will get profits there. Even if it is not breaking the stop loss, hitting the stop loss both sides, it's okay, you got profit there. But if there is some big movement after the hedging profit booking, you will get that profit too. So this is the method for daily method for crude, and there might be some reversals in the crude regularly. Means that is cyclical movement for 3 to 4 days. If crude is moving upside, suppose it moved up by 7 to 10%, then there is a possibility that there will be profit booking. It may come downside suddenly. So what would you do there? I suggest you to keep the stop loss selling below ATP and below the low, because there will be a sudden reversal, and that reversal will be very sharp. So even if you are not on the screen, we can suggest you, generally we suggest you to trade only when you are on the screen. But sometimes when you are having the mini lots or micro lots, you can do one thing, just keep the stop loss of 2 mini lots and leave the screen. It's okay, because you can afford, even if it is going up by 200-300 points, 2 mini lots is okay to afford with, because sometimes you are losing 200 points in 2 mini lots, so sometimes you will get 300-400 points in 2 mini lots. It is possible in this market. So I suggested you to focus on the reversals and keep the time discipline there. So for a whole month, if you are trading in crude, so what will be your total profit calculation? Daily you might be getting 15 to 20 points. So for 15 days you are getting 250 to 300 points, and for 3 to 4 days minimum you are getting 70 to 100 points. So that will be more than 250 points. In this way you are getting total 500 points out of 20 days. So it is 20 to 25 points per day average. And just practice on mini lots and do all the mistakes there. Rectify your mistakes, see all the market moods, whatever the reason there, even if it is technical, psychological or technological, whatever the reason there. If you are well in all the time, then you can scale it up. So go for multiple mini lots, then go for 1 mega lot, then go for multiple mega lots. So don't run behind the bigger volumes, run behind the bigger strategies and right disciplines. Thank you very much. www.speedearning.com